Closed junctions are when you have buildings, parked vehicles, or other obstructions blocking your view as you approach them. And these type of junctions are everywhere. Today, I'm going to show you how to make them easier. When first doing junctions, you might stop at every give-way line, even when it's clear. But once you get more confident, then you don't need to stop at give-way lines if it's safe to go, as it could be annoying for drivers behind, and it wastes time and fuel. But of course, always stop and give way when you need to. The best and easiest way to approach a closed junction is slowly, and roll up to the give-way line. As you roll, observe, and then if it's safe, set the gas, biting point, and go. Let's have a look at how to roll up to it in more detail. Off gas, brake lightly, clutch down. First gear, off brake, observe, it's safe, gas, biting point, clutch still, little more gas, gently raise the clutch, more gas, and then check the mirrors and drive on. Always be prepared to stop, but also ready to go. This time there's another driver in front, but if I approach it slowly, hopefully I won't need to stop, which makes it easier and saves fuel. Light braking, ease off the brake a little, now light braking, first gear, now off the brake, gas, biting point, off gas, clutch down, light braking, make sure it's safe, it's clear, gas, biting point, slowly off the clutch with more gas, and then check the mirrors and drive on. Always remember at junctions, the less you see, the slower you go. And just before stopping, ease off the brake, keep checking, gas, biting point, feet steady, keep observing, and then slowly raise the clutch with more gas. Always be ready to stop if you need to, and especially look out for cyclists and motorcyclists that are harder to see. This time I'm approaching too fast. I don't have time to check it's safe, so I'll have to stop. This way of approaching a junction actually takes more time, and because I approached too fast, I might have scared other drivers on this other road. This junction is slightly uphill, so the hill will slow the car down. I've checked the mirrors, signalled, light braking, clutch, nearly stopping, off brake, roll, first gear, brake more, hard to see, it's safe, gas, hold the biting point for about 3 seconds, ease off the clutch with more gas, check the mirrors and drive on. Remember to slowly creep up to the give-way line. This will give you time to observe, and then keep on creeping very slowly if it's safe, but keep observing. A lot of accidents happen at junctions where drivers don't observe properly, so make sure you look for others and always be ready to stop. Having this very slow roll up to the junction helps you see properly, gives you time to prepare to go or stop, and helps avoid stopping unnecessarily at a clear, safe junction. To help have a slow approach, aim to stop about 2 hazard warning lines back from the give-way. But just as you're about to stop there, release the brake and let it roll. First gear, observe, gas and bite to creep, keep observing, and either stop or go. This time the hill is so steep, as soon as I release the gas pedal, it will slow the car down quickly. At the speed I'm driving, I won't need to brake at all. Off gas, clutch down, first gear, gas, biting point to creep, observe properly, raise the clutch about a pound coin thickness to speed up, or dip the clutch slightly to slow down. Faster than a walking speed, gently raise the clutch with more gas. I didn't need to stop at that previous junction, but always be ready to stop. Some new drivers slow down and stop too early before the giveaway line. Here's how to creep if this happens to you. I've also got to bear in mind that the hill is slowing the car down too. Clutch, first gear. Now gas, and biting point to creep. Off gas, clutch down. Light braking, ready to stop. It's safe. Gas, biting point, raise the clutch and more gas after about 3 seconds of creeping. As always, observe properly and be ready to stop. Stopping at this junction unnecessarily means that I now have to do a hill start, which isn't a terrible thing, but stopping and then going just takes longer and uses more fuel. I've been showing you junctions with giveaway lines, but if you see a stop sign and a solid stop line, then always make sure you stop completely, even if you think it's safe not to stop. They often have stop signs at dangerous junctions where accidents have happened before. Watch this video next to get some tips on how to do clutch control in traffic and on a hill. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe as it really helps us make more videos. Keep safe on the road and bye for now.